YouTube sent me a package. Here, look. See, by YouTube. I'm gonna open it up right now. Okay, so let's open this up. Let me get my pocket knife out. Those are my scissors. Here's my knife. Okay, let me open this up. Oh. I'm really bad with knives. Look at my other knife out. Okay. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, so I put you guys at a better angle so y'all guys can see this. But let's see. Let's see what they sent me. No way, it's my 10 sub dirt play button. No way, guys, look. Look at it. YouTube, 10 sub dirt play button. Okay. 4, I'm the reverse flash for reaching 10 subs. No way, guys, this is insane. I got my dirt play button. Look. This is insane, guys. Look. Thank you for all the support. I finally reached 10 subs to get my dirt play button. Y'all guys are insane. Dude, thanks. So, I'm probably going to end the video here. Thank you all guys so much for the support.